Have you ever noticed how many people seem to be falling in love with their pets? In our fast-paced world, especially in big cities, our furry friends are becoming more than just companions. For a growing number of us, they're becoming our primary source of emotional connection. And it makes sense. A pet offers unconditional love. You feed them, care for them, and in return, you get pure, uncomplicated affection. There are no arguments, no drama, no disappointments. Your brain even releases oxytocin, the same bonding hormone we get from human connection when you cuddle your pet. In fact, a huge global survey found that 65% of pet owners would rather unwind with their pet than with a partner, family, or friends. Nearly 90% said just having their pet nearby is enough to calm them down. But here's where it gets complicated. While this comfort is wonderful, it might also be a sign of a bigger trend. Are we using our pets as a shield? Research shows that while pets can definitely reduce feelings of loneliness, especially for those who live alone, they often end up substituting human interaction rather than adding to it. Some studies even found no real difference in loneliness between pet owners and non-owners, unless the person was already isolated. This emotional substitution can become a problem. Some people rate their bond with their pet as even stronger than their human relationships. These bonds are more like a parent-child connection, not a partnership built on mutual growth and intimacy. Relying too heavily on a pet for emotional support can actually increase loneliness in the long run and might even weaken our ability to handle the complexities of human relationships, things like communication, compromise, and resolving conflict. Think about it. How many times have you heard someone say, "If you don't like my dog, you don't like me"? Making pet acceptance a deal-breaker can seriously narrow your dating pool and reinforce emotional distance. While it's great to love your pet, human relationships are about so much more than just comfort. They're about building a shared future, navigating challenges together, and growing with another person. Pets are amazing. They bring so much joy, routine, and stress relief to our lives, but they should be a part of our life, not a substitute for it. So that's worth asking yourself. Am I using my pet as affection to avoid deeper human connection? Am I choosing safety over the risk of opening my heart? In the end, a pet can walk alongside you through life, but only another person can truly share it with you. Thanks for watching.